You know, I'm not sure if I'm going the right way here. Ah, sweet. Might have taken a wrong turn, but look at this thing. I hope those guys aren't coming up there on that scooter. It looks cool, man.
Where are we going now?
I don't know, we just came up here. I'm waiting for my friends to come, but they're coming up on scooters.
You're offside?
Huh?
You are going to the diesel car where?
No, we were just coming up to have a look at this, really. We just coming past the road and we thought, oh, this place looks pretty cool.
Friends are coming.
Yeah, but they're coming up on scooters, so I better go get them. Fucking hell, they made it. It's a nice little excursion, isn't it?
Yeah.
Check this shit out.
Oh wait, I don't think
Where's Jackson?
we lost him.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Well,
What, on the main road, or? No, he was on the road, wasn't he?
Yeah, he must have gone straight when you just turned this way.
Oh, shit. Well, he went straight up that road?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Well,
Go get him.
I'll go get him. Yeah, yeah. You guys chill with these guys. Have a go on the swing, man.
yeah,
Better go find Jackson. I think he's heading up a trekking trail on an FZ. Hopefully he hasn't gone too far up. Oop. This bike's actually not bad off-road. It's obviously hasn't got a lot of ground clearance, but it's not bottoming out so far. I feel like a rescue mission now. Ooh, don't want to hit that up. Sorry, dude. We sort of we went up and round. So this is just a trekking trail, man. This just gets worse and worse, I think. Wow, what a cool view. Yeah, what a place to stop. That's awesome. Ooh, sweet. So yeah, they're over there. So you can see that little temple over there. So I think they're over there chilling with those kids now, having a swing. That's a sweet view, man. Oh, still recording. Let's turn my bike around, Nepali style. Ah, good fun ripping it up that hill after you. Oh, there's an engine warning light on. This bike's just taken everything I've thrown at it, really. It's not designed for any of this shit, but it's doing a pretty good job. Get on this side. bumpy. Oh, I've got to be careful I don't get a puncture actually. I better slow down a bit. There's some pretty sharp rocks along here. They are tubeless tyres on this, so in some ways that's a little bit better, but now let's just wait for Jackson so he knows. Oop, I have to come up this way. Oh yeah, there he is. Whew. Loving it.
So now you're going to Astan? Up there?
No. What is up there? A village?
Yeah, Astan.
Just a village?
Yeah.
No, we're staying lakeside.
So I already going. That's enough.
Let's get back on the road. That was a good little excursion. It's cool when you're with like groups of people because, yeah, it's like Jackson was just saying, you don't really have to sort of make decisions on your own. Other people just sort of make them for you. You know, John was just like, oh, that looks cool, let's go there. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Use the back brake, okay, coming down. Left. Yeah. See ya. Sun setting over the Pokhara Valley. I'm on one of my favourite bikes. This is a nice way to round off my few weeks in Pokhara. I've got a bug in my eye. No, he's still there. Oh, the engine warning light stopped flashing now. Guess that means I fixed it by treating it like shit. Hitchhiker, eh? None of the other guys are. Bet they made it down that hill okay. They're doing alright. No, considering Jeremy's never ridden a scooter, a scooter before, or a motorbike, he's doing alright. It's kind of a baptism of fire really. We've taken him through the town, up into the hills. So yeah, he's done alright. I've got my own little hitchhikers now, little bugs everywhere. More goats. It's always cool riding with people, you know, it's always more fun. Oof. Thank you! Just like 1 litre is all you need really. Is the light on or anything? Yeah, you'll be alright. We haven't needed any. Yeah, it'll be fine. One last rip before we take it back. And now I'll just stop and wait for it. Oh, we got more goats anyway, so that's cool. They can catch up. Chickens! Oh, just have to do a couple of sketchy overtakes then just to get past the fucking trucks. The diesel smoke's horrendous. That's the thing, you kind of have to just, sometimes you just have to think, what's more dangerous, like going for this overtake or staying behind this truck and getting stuck in these fumes for another 5 minutes and maybe getting cancer. Saying that, in Pokhara, pollution's not really too bad. Kathmandu, right in the centre, you know, when it's really hot, it can be quite bad. Like first, excuse me, getting tired now. First few days I was in Kathmandu last year, it took me a while to get used to it. Really, it was just, you know, you're sort of coughing and spitting up all the time, just because you get this shit in the back of your throat, and you know, your nose just gets full of black shit. It's just not good, you know. First few days, I thought I was going to die of consumption. Is he going to overtake? He is, isn't he? Yeah. Stay to the left. I'm just goon riding now. So that's what happens when you just ride straight up behind a truck trying to overtake. You just can't see what's coming. So you just hang back a little bit further. You can look around, you can see what's coming. We're coming up to the roundabout now anyway, so not a lot of point. But yeah, it's just simple technique. So now we're coming up to the lakeside, probably for the last time this year on a motorbike. Maybe next year. I'm not sure what time to come back next year. If I do come back next year, it depends on money. Everything always depends on money, doesn't it? Not everything. It's true what they say, you know, money doesn't bring you happiness, but it's always rich people who say that because they've got money. But it's true though, money doesn't bring you happiness, but it does give you options, and those options in turn can bring you happiness. So I'm not sure if I agree with that whole statement of, a broad statement of money doesn't bring you happiness. Well, in some cases it clearly does. What's this guy doing? But I think it's just important not to be greedy and just appreciate what you do have. And certainly when you come to places like this, it does sort of put things in perspective a little bit. I think we'll just pull up at centre point again, and we'll go our separate ways, and we'll probably meet up again tonight and just get absolutely bladdered. Whew. That was fun.
That's definitely one of the cooler things I've done.
Yeah.
I don't think many tourists make it up to those shrines.
No, it's a bit off the beaten track, that thing, isn't it? It's cool though, man. That's the cool thing about riding a bike, man.
Right, you get everywhere.
You just get everywhere. You see lots of little stuff that, you know, trekking's all very well and good. You know, you get to see a lot of one area in like 4 or 5 days.
Yeah.
But on a bike, you can just ride anywhere, you know. You can stop and think, oh, that looks interesting. So, that's why I ride, man.
Yeah.